guys, so I'm actually editing this video right now, and I kind of realized that I forgot to have like an outro to it, so here is the outro. It's actually been a month since that video, since I filmed those clips. I have no excuse. I just wanted to like go through my day, because I feel like in the video it's just me like waking up, going to class, and that's it, and me getting food after. That's literally it. But I wanted to go into depth of how my day was. So I had 2 lectures on that day, because that day was like Monday. I have 2 lectures. I got dinner with my friends after, and it was like really cute. And my day was really bad. But like we're not gonna talk about it. We're not gonna talk about good vibes. Also, I really wanted to mention this. I think I have freshers flu, guys. I am literally dead. I'm literally dead. I don't know if you could hear it in my voice, but I have a fever, I have a temperature, I have a blocked nose, I have a disgusting throat right now. Also, I got my nails done. Not too sick to do that. If you watched this far in the video, comment down below. Water. That's it, to be honest. Make sure you like, comment, share if you want to, and let me know how your first day of school went, because I'm interested to know this. Anyways, bye guys, see you in the next one.